I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. I hope to help you understand cultural differences, break down information barriers, give you an authentic view of Beijing and China. Join me as we experience the real life of Beijinger. And today I'm at Qianmen, as you can see. Don't rush to say again, Qianmen again, because today I'm here for a totally different experience, because I'm going to climb this one, Eiffel Tower. Last year, Beijing Central Axis was officially listed as UNESCO World Heritage Site. This Central Axis was stretched 7.8 kilometers from Tiananmen in the south and Drum and Bell Tower in the north. Iconic landmarks such as the Forbidden City, Tiananmen Square, and Qianmen are all along this central axis. Qianmen, also you can call the Zhengyangmen, consists of two parts, the Eiffel Tower and the City Tower. After restoration, the Eiffel Tower now opened to the public. If you are in Qianmen Street, the commercial street, you will see these two towers. They are part of the originally gate back in days. This Eiffel Gate I'm visiting today is the largest remaining Eiffel Tower in Beijing. Look, it has 94 Eiffel windows used to defend the city. Okay, let's climb to the Eiffel Tower. Let's go. See. Zhengyangmen is the old name of the Qianmen. We are in now. Let's go. Wow. Historical photos. It used to have the city walls. Can you see that? A circle, the city wall. Now you know I'm on the Eiffel Tower, and behind me is the City Tower. The City Tower is the only existed city tower in Beijing. In old Beijing Imperial City, there were 9 gates in total. If you take the subway line 2, you can still hear the station's name. Men means gate. 东直门, Chaoyangmen, Qianmen. All the men means gate. When there is a men gate, it actually had the gates in old times. But 8 of them were demolished during the construction of New China. And the Zhengyangmen is the only survived gate. The 9 gates of the imperial city has their own functions. Some of them are for water carts, some for the timber, some for the soldiers. And the Zhengyangmen is the highest rank. It's for emperor's vehicle. When the emperor left the palace, he exited through Zhengyangmen, this gate, and then the Eiffel Tower, and then went outside. So let's go inside. The ideal order of the Chinese capital. This is a review of the Central Axis. The first floor showcases various landmarks and information related to the Central Axis. English introduction, very thoughtful. Go to the second floor. The second floor explains when the architectural concept of a central axis began. It turns out it dates back to the Qin dynasty. This concept has existed for thousands of years. It's also my first time learning this. These are items used for offering sacrifices to heaven, but they are not valuable. And they are all replicas. If you are looking for the real treasures, you'll have to go to the Forbidden City or the National Museum. This painting depicts Qianmen Street and the city gate as they looked at the time. The third floor. Some exhibits about the Eiffel Tower itself, such as its architectural structure and other related details. And yes, there's even a fourth floor. Peking opera costume. The exhibits on this floor are all real. Look, from this window, you can see the Qianmen pedestrian street. Isn't it spectacular? If the visual is good, you can also see Yongdingmen, the starting point of the Central Axis. The traditional mortise and tenon structure, which doesn't require a single nail. Oh, one important spot I'd like to show you. but unfortunately, I cannot go across the street. The sign is just in front of this Zhengyangmen, this city tower of Zhengyangmen. It's a 0 kilometer sign. It marks kilometer 0. If you ever see the road signs on Chinese highways, saying how many kilometers to Beijing, this is the point they measuring from. Not in the Forbidden City, not in the Tiananmen Square. Here, the kilometer 0, just here, is the true center. Surprised you? And I know many countries have this kilometer 0 sign. In the US, it's just at the south of White House. In Russian, it's in Red Square. And in France, it's in Notre Dame. Visiting the Eiffel Tower is free, but the tickets are hard to get. You have to reserve the ticket on Minigram on WeChat. I think it might be tricky for the international visitors. And I think this is service window. I think maybe you can buy the ticket on the spot through this window. Sorry, I just asked. No, you cannot buy the ticket on the spot. You have to make a reservation in mini program on WeChat. Okay, I hope today's video will give you a deep understanding of Qianmen and its rich history. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.